in the state of Meghalaya, any mining of uranium can have serious impact on the overall well-being of our people without having to elaborate on the ramification on the health hazards. We all know. It's all well documented. Therefore, it is only befitting for me to place on record my sincere thanks to the then Government of India under the illustrious leadership of late Dr. Manmohan Singh ji. And we were never disturbed any further. And that particular, I must say, that understanding continued till now. And I think this is the right time, given the, considering the given situation at this moment, when there is that understanding, it is only appropriate to arrive at a collective decision, and therefore we would like to, with utmost sense of responsibility, support this resolution tabled by the government. I would like to only put one rider, one very important rider. This rider is, again, based on the rich deposit. If you look at the deposits, and these deposits are all along, across the western part and eastern part, we have the detail of the deposits. And this crucial information about the deposit is very important for the government to put the people, the community, the landowners in the loop as to how we will utilize the land. Because with all these other mining activities, any area where we have the deposits, if people are not aware, then what can happen, we understand. There are many other areas which are already known to have the deposits, but the landowners don't know. That's the fact. Therefore, there will be quite a substantial amount of work to be done by the concerned department with a complete scientific application of knowledge and technology to take cognizance of those concerns and ensure that the landowners are aware of this fact, and based on that, how they should be guided scientifically, and how they should be, to that extent, help to have that kind of power of comprehension for appropriate and optimum utilization of their land resources in future. That should be kept in mind by the government, by the state government, as the onus of responsibility, Mr. Speaker, sir. Because otherwise, it will have, incidental challenge, which will ultimately have a serious ramification, and our people will be seen caught at an unguarded moment.